I know where the problem is. It's with the people whom we are providing our services. To human beings. Exactly. That's where the problem is. They aren't taking care of us.
Then it will be better for you all to go on the earth and try to find the solution for it. I feel humans will cooperate with you. They worship you. They see you in everything, in their parents, their religion. From sunrise to sunset, every element is praised in every possible way.
Abuelita's a rebel, my mother's a fighter, Tia's a G and my sister's a rider.
I'm yours tonight. Got a feeling that I can't deny. Everything about you gets me high. Girl, I want this for the rest of my life. Instead of
Why don't humans understand? Without me, they can't even breathe.
What happened? Why are you so upset?
Just look at me, how contaminated I am. Even after knowing that I have been the most important life support, humans don't care about me. Look at all these people. They drive in their cars with comfort, but they don't realize how much pollution they create. These youngsters get thrilled by doing all these stunts. But now, it's the time they should know my importance, or else they will spend their life just like that.
Now sing with me, y'all.
What is
One world, that's all we got. One world, and something's wrong with it. Something's wrong with it. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that bring the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we're trying to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate, and to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Then you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach, and would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love?
It just ain't the same, always a change. New days are strange, is the world insane? If love and peace is so strong, why are there pieces of love that don't belong? Nations drop a bomb, chemical gases filling lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering as the youth are young. So ask yourself, is the loving really gone? So I could ask myself, really what is going wrong in this world that we living in? People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, only visions of them dividends. Not respecting each other, denying thy brother. A war's going on, but the reason's undercover. The truth is kept secret, it's swept under the rug. If you never know truth, then you never know love. What's the love, y'all? Come on, I don't know. What's the truth, y'all? Come on, I don't know. What's the love, y'all?
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach, and would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning, where is the love?
Sing with me, y'all.
One world, we only got one world. That's all we got. One world. There's something wrong with it. There's something wrong with it. Something's wrong with the world. Yeah, we only got one world. That's all we got. One world.
Yeah, come on. Another one, Seattle 6. Can't stop what I wanna do. Can't stop Seattle. Come on. Classic life.
Look at this wonderful place.
It's really wonderful. It feels like heaven.
No. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me.
What happened, Mr. Tiger? Why are you so afraid? We will not harm you.
Then why are you here?
We are here to enjoy the natural beauty. What happened to you?
People come from various places and attack our families. Our children can't even play in their own home ground. We are cruelly killed for making leather out of our skin. Most of my fellow mates have been killed and only few of us are left. It is a very cruel world.
caprichito de mi amor, sargazo por donde sargazo, morenita de mi amor. Move that body, move that body, move that body, move. Move that body, move that body, move that body, move. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena, ay. se mal decía que yo me muero si no eres mía. Vaya pañuelo como Lucía, que yo me muero cuando tú le estás. Chiquillo, ¿qué le da? Niña del pañuelo colorado, ay como me gusta, ay lo que me ha dado. Esa niña se vacía por la playa, salga por donde salga y me tiene enamorado. Ay, ya llega mi paloma mensajera, salerosa marinera, caprichito de mi amor. Salga por donde salga morenita de mi amor. Dale tu cuerpo, move that body. Dale tu cuerpo, move. Dale tu cuerpo, move that body.
I have understood. It's not the earth, but the humans who are responsible for this thing.
Yes, Earth needs some motivation. Let's try to talk to her.
I know Earth very well. It is not very easy to make her up.
Fire, why don't you try?
Sure, I will, and I won't let Earth cry.
काय करते काय को इतना डरते काय को पल पल मरते काय को वाई ऐसा वाई वैसा क्यों होता तो क्या होता जो होता है वो होता फ्लाई बेबी फ्लाई देखे उड़ के देखे बादल से जुड़ के देखे फिर ना मुड़ मुड़ के रोते काय को हम है रोते काय को हम होना है जो सैड होते काय को हम हारा तो को ना सोते काय को क्राई इतना क्राई करते काय को इतना करते काय को पल पल मरते काय को सोते काय को
No use. She is disappointed. I think we need something more to do.
I told you, it's not so easy.
Then why don't you try if you know so much?
Me alone?
Let's do it together. Whenever you fail, I am ready to hail. Will you be my friend?
Yes, friends.
से बाहें ना छुड़ा कहीं खो ना जा जो भी होगा I am with you ना घबरा थोड़ा मुस्कुरा जो भी होगा I am with you एक मैं हूँ और एक तू, I wanna be with you. तेरे पीछे पीछे मैं, मेरे आगे आगे तू, एक मैं हूँ और एक तू. मौका ऐसा ना गवा, यूं ही बेवजह, जो भी होगा I am with you. यूं ना घबरा, थोड़ा मुस्कुरा, जो भी होगा I am with you. एक मैं हूँ और एक तू, I wanna be with you. तेरे पीछे पीछे मैं, मेरे आगे आगे तू, एक मैं हूँ और एक छिड़केंगे पानी. इस पल के हम बादशाह हैं, करे क्यों ना मनमानी. उनकी बातें भूल जा, खुशियाँ सजा, जो भी होगा I am with you. यूं ना घबरा, थोड़ा मुस्कुरा, जो भी होगा I am with you. एक मैं हूँ और एक तू, I wanna be with you. तेरे पीछे पीछे मैं, मेरे आगे आगे तू, मैं हूँ और एक तू. Wake up,